Alright then. Look like you should lose some help from the big boss of hell himself. Check out glowing reviews on your flawless great with your punch or the pentagram Peter. Thanks, Dad. The chef. Whoa! Feel a lot like that. I'll read the game for you because I'm the refrigerator. That's just a start. Who's been here since day one? Who's been faithful as a nun?
That's true.
I'm your guy, and day to day. Tell you so. Tell you.
I respect, thank you, sir. Oh, you.
I'm truly honored that we built such a bond.
Oh.
You're like the child that I wish that I had. What I care for you, just like the daughter I spawned. Hold on now, it's a little funny, you can always call me Daisy, when you're looking for assistance, it's better make a better resistance. They're saying and you need the hour. There's no support until
Power.
you just haven't survived your
Blood.
Sadly, there's times that appear as a done. There's a family who's better. When you put your lose, you put it on. Started singing it out for the shit.
It's me. Yes, the one for me. I'm here. I'm not the cats. Took a minute, but it's me. It's me.
Who?